the king of all oils, it can treat migraines, anxiety and depressions. Have you tried the amazing effects of frankincense oil yet? This oil is known as the king of oils, due to the myriad of powerful medicinal properties. According to Dr. Josh Axe DC, DMN, CNS, frankincense oil is from the genus Boswellia and sourced from the resin of the Boswellia carterii, Boswellia ferriana or Boswellia serrata trees that's commonly grown in Somalia and regions of Pakistan. This tree is different from many others in that it can grow with very little soil in dry and desolate conditions. Boswellia serrata is a tree native to India that produces special compounds that have been found to have strong anti-inflammatory, and potentially anti-cancer, effects. Among the valuable Boswellia tree extracts that researchers have identified, several stand out as being most beneficial, including terpenes and boswellic acids, which are strongly anti-inflammatory and protective over healthy cells. Moreover, the word frankincense comes from the term frankincense, which means quality incense in Old French. Frankincense has been associated with many different religions over the years, especially the Christian religion, as it was one of the first gifts given to Jesus by the wise men. Its main chemical constituents include mecane, phellandrine, phansol, borneol, pinene, and limonene, which provide potent soothing, cancer-preventing, and antifungal properties. According to AromaWeb, there are several species of frankincense, and very generalistically, they all share similar therapeutic and aromatic properties. Frankincense essential oil is used most often for spiritual, perfumery and incense/room fragrancing applications, but is useful as an expectorant and sometimes is used in respiratory and cough formulations. It is steam distilled from frankincense resin. It smells sweeter, cleaner and fresher than the resin. The aroma of this essential oil is commonly enjoyed in various spiritual and healing blends all over the world, as it is calming, soothing and grounding, without being sedating. Actually, this scent is woody and earthy, with a slightly fruity, sweet, warm, spicy attitude. Now, here are some of the numerous medicinal uses of this incredibly healthy essential oil. 1. Boosts immune system. To strengthen the immune system, massage a few drops into the balls of your feet on a daily basis. 2. Removes moles, skin tags, and warts. Apply a single drop on the affected areas 3 times daily. 3. Reduces stress and anxiety. It is rich in chemicals that relieve stress, anxiety, anger, sadness, and brings positivity in your life. 4. Helps with headaches and migraines. Frankincense oil has strong anti-inflammatory properties that relieve migraines and headaches. 5. Helps with congestion and suppresses coughing. Frankincense oil effectively treats respiratory problems, such as coughs and asthma. In a bowl with hot water, pour 6 drops of this oil, bend over it, cover the head with a towel, and inhale the vapors to treat congestion and loosen phlegm and mucus. 6. Relieve joint pain and swelling. This strong anti-inflammatory agent relieves muscle aches and joint pain and stimulates blood circulation. 7. Helps with acne. To eliminate acne and prevent new breakouts, dab 1 drop on the problematic areas in the morning and before bedtime. 8. Neurological support. It has powerful cerebrum recuperating capacities as it carries oxygen to the brain. Moreover, it is rich in sesquiterpenes, which boost the levels of oxygen in the brain by up to 28%. 9. Relieves itching. To soothe itching, apply a drop of it to the affected area. 10. Help with wounds from cuts, scrapes, and burns. For best effects, apply lavender essential oil to the affected area, and then layer frankincense on top. This will soothe burns, cuts, and scrapes. 11. Hormones and memory. It boosts memory and balances your hormones. 12. Reduces wrinkles. It is a powerful astringent that firms the skin and reduces wrinkles. To support the formation of new cells and strengthen the old ones, apply it to the skin mixed with some unscented oil, such as coconut oil. 13. Reduce and fade scars. This essential oil improves skin cells' health and regrowth. It accelerates the healing process and reduces the appearance of scars. Mix it with some coconut oil, and apply it directly on the skin. 14. Detoxifies the air. Frankincense oil destroys germs and bacteria and purifies the air. 15. Enhances the efficacy of other essential oils. To boost the effects of other essential oils and support its deeper absorption in the skin, layer it over the other essential oil. 16. Relaxation. The powerful aroma of this essential oil promotes relaxation and reduces negativity in life. 17. Helps with vision. To boost the clarity of your vision and focus better, rub 1 to 2 drops of frankincense onto the temples. 18. Oral health. Frankincense essential oil improves plaque-induced gingivitis and helps you fight bad breath. 19. Promotes sleep. To improve sleep, slow down your breathing, and relieve anxiety and nervous tension, diffuse frankincense at bedtime. When it comes to choosing the best quality frankincense oil, Dr. Axe advises: if you're purchasing essential oils, avoid oils that say fragrance oil or perfume oil, as these can be synthetic and don't provide the desired health benefits. Instead, look for oils that say pure essential oil or 100% essential oil for the highest quality essential oils. I like to take advantage of the best frankincense oils, which should feature a combination of multiple varieties of oils from boswellia trees.